Hello guys, welcome back to again my YouTube channel Could be DK sir once again. So in today's session we are going to discuss about the interview question. Normally in interview asking to you guys, right? So this session is really very important session for all of you. So here we are going to discuss between the difference between data analyst, data science, and business analyst, basically, right? So what is the major difference between, like, normally once a student go for interview, they normally stuck to answer this question, right? So first of all, we're just going to be introduce you see the introduction step by step, then we're going to approach the detailed description. So data driven decisions are like essential in modern business. Like there are three key roles: help and extract insights. So data analyst, data scientist, and business analyst. There are three program basically. Which one you are going to see the differences? Who is the data analyst? Right? डेटा एनालिस्ट कौन होते हैं, इनका क्या रोल होता है, आप उसे कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हो कि डेटा एनालिस्ट कौन है? So first of all, there is a parameter like which one you have to focus, what the tool required for you, what is the skill set you're going to be learn, and what you're getting the output finally, right? Once you're writing any program, even in IT, so you're getting the feedback. So that is called output. So focus, analyze data to find the trends and insight. Trends means what's going in the market, right? That is called data trends and insights of the data. What is data insights basically? Suppose there is a data set for the sales data, like if I talk about sales data for like Amazon, Flipkart. So there's a sales data. From that data, if I say you have to take a data insights for the like all the daily NCR. So now data analyst responsibility, right? Suppose there's a discount for the any special occasion, Diwali or any specific 30% or 40%. So behalf of that, data analyst is going to be just analyze the data and take out the insights from the data. That is called data insights, right? Like very simple example. Suppose you have a company, right? Your company existing in India, out of India, overseas as well. So उस केस में आप डेटा के insights कैसे निकालेंगे? You can want to check like India in this company, what is the sell for today, right? What is the price, quantity, or any specific one. So that is called data insights basically. What are the tool required? क्या क्या tool आप use करोगे basically? So Excel, SQL Server, Power BI, and Tableau. These are the going to be required for you. Skill sets, data. So data cleaning, visualization means you should know how to clean the data. Once data in company, normally data coming the raw data which have a null value, right? That one you have to clean the data and make it relevant and useful. Then visualization. So with the help of the Power BI, you can visualize the data and prepare the report as well. Outputs like reports, you are able to make a reports, dashboards, and performance and summaries, right? So here you're going to check the summaries and summaries. So in that case, what like you are able to make a report with the help of the Excel dashboard with the help of Power BI. You can create a dashboard for data visualization where you can visualize the data, and finally you are able to see the performance. Who's the data scientist? Data scientist कौन होते हैं? Focus on the goals and like you can see here going for data prediction, models, and an algorithm. So what is algorithm basically, guys? How we can define the algorithm? Obviously, we are looking for the data prediction. Data prediction means what? Prediction क्या होता है? Means होने वाला क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता उसको हम data prediction बोलते हैं basically. Probability उसमें क्या क्या possibilities हो सकते हैं? Algorithm क्या होता है? What is an algorithm? Like very simple example, data scientist है आप, आपके पास कोई एक particular problem आता है, कोई task आता है, how you are going to fix that particular problem basically. So algorithm is what? Once you have complexity, once you have a problem, that specific problem you want to fix step by step, line by line, that is called an algorithm. Like very simple example, suppose ATM machine, people withdraw the money from ATM machine. So any particular software, once designed, we have to make an algorithm. We make the solution for that specific problem. Right, that is known as an algorithm. Any particular software, first of all, people design the algorithm. Right, even in DSA, once you learn data structure and algorithm, so you have to first of all design the algorithm for that specific task. Tool what is required? You're going for the Python programming, R, machine learning, and TensorFlows. Key skill sets: statics, data modeling, AI and ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning. We are going for deep learning as well. Output like our data going to be see the data prediction, insights, and automated system. What is the data prediction? Like if you guys talk about health disease, right? Like if we talk about diabetic, if we talk about BP. So if any patient, suppose sugar level, suppose today is 100, like once you're checking empty stomach, so next morning it's not compulsory going to be 100, it's going to be more than 100, right? Even after food, if you check, so you will find out the different. Even if you talk about weather aspect, so have you seen the news channel? People just explain the news, right? Like a possibility should be there, like it can be raining today here, right? Yeah, where temperature should be this, it can be this. Is about to be means हो सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता means you are not 100% sure. So that prediction part done by the data scientist basically. Okay. Who's the business analyst? Who's the business analyst person? So focus what the like ways between business and data terms, data team and tool. What do you mean by like between business and data team? Obviously, who are the business analysts? Just going to work with the team members. Basically, they're working together with the team members first of all, right? Tools. What are you going to use? Excel, Power BI, flowchart, documentation tool, right? Skills required like a gathering, communications, and process and improvement, right? So this is skill required. Obviously, as a business analyst, you should know how to well communicate, right? Requirement, you have to gather the information from different sources, and after then, you are going to process and see the improvement of this. Output business starts say required documents and KPIs, right? Which I'm going to use the KPIs once you going to make a dashboard inside with the help of the KPIs, you can use it. Key difference tables like experts, data analysts, data scientists, business analysts. You can see focus with data trains. Data analysts should be focused on this. Data scientists like a prediction of the modeling and business impact with the business analyst. Tool required Excel, SQL, Power BI tools, and Python for the data scientists or ML and tools. Business analyst, Excel and Power BI. What is the output? Basically, report and dashboard for the data analyst person, and data scientist going for the model and predictions, and business analyst going for business solution as well. Background data analyst question is going to be start experts, and programming and math for the data scientists, business management for the business analyst. So these are the key difference table. What are the expect? What the data analyst, data scientist, and business analyst, and what are the things going to be required for you? Example scenario like e-commerce company, data analysts analyze customer and purchase trend, right? Data scientists builds recommendation engines. Business analysts identify new market trends and opportunity market trends and strategy. Career path comparison, if you talk about, so data analyst like a senior data analyst, data scientist, as you can see, business analyst going to be product manager and consultant, data scientist like ML engineer, AI specialist. That we're going to be. Conclusion finally going to be all three roles are like essential for data driving success. Data analyst like what's going to be happening, you always check, right?